Thank you for joining us today. I hope you enjoyed your lunch. We are anyways looking towards a very nice exchange.
Pharmacies is trying to become the first contact with a patient. Let's call a revolution for the Italian people.
Regulations are a big burden to the development of online pharmacies in our region.
In Austria, the brick-and-mortar pharmacies are still going very strong because they have what's called in Austria Regionschutz.
It's still challenging to deliver quick enough to parts of the country and also within a good enough quality.
As you know very well, medicine shortages in Europe have become a pressing issue.
Everybody agrees on the fact that it makes sense to have a list of critical medicines and to try to make sure that these medicines are available in a European context.
Obviously, the time that is spent by pharmacists and by healthcare professionals dealing with shortages is time that is now spent taking care of the patient.
There's a lot of measures that can be done shorter. So one of the actions that they identified was the guidance on procurement.
We try to be very transparent in showing the patients on the websites which medication is available, which not.
How do we compile a report like this one? We conducted expert interviews, we looked into publicly available database, and we talked to you and the European e-Pharmacies to understand how do you see the market.
The EU planning now a e-wallet, and they have different use cases. They want to store different kinds of information within the wallet. And one use case 6 is the electronic prescription.
We had an exchange of views within the committee members. This year's topic or focus topic was Pharmacy of the Future.